Hi. My name is Jeff Ladd. Today I am going to share with you a new way to make $30,000 per month without a website. This is a 3-step strategy for making money online without a website. Step 1 is to build a funnel. Step 2, plug into an ecosystem that offers multiple products with multiple recurring commissions. Step 3, send offers to your email list. People tell you, make money on the internet. Okay, how do you do it? Do you actually make money? This is one of Anthony Morrison's accounts. His ClickFunnels account alone has given him lifetime earnings of $2,856,477.57, of which he has been paid $2,814,729.71, and he still has $41,747.86 owed to him. The pending $41,747 represents about how much he makes every month just from ClickFunnels. So how do we do this? First, you must understand the concept of a funnel. Stay with me and find out how to get this done for you for free. Websites used to have all kinds of stuff all over the pages. Funnels say don't deal with a complex, confusing website. We want a very basic, simple, one-step text and form asking for an email address. This is called an opt-in page. It contains some text and a form to collect an email address. 2 things happen after they opt in. 1. They are taken to the next page in the funnel. 2. They are put into our email list. On the next page, we promote an affiliate program. You refer people to the program and get paid a commission. That makes us a little bit of cash. But how do we get to $30,000? There are 2 factors to $30,000 per month. The first is recurring billing through monthly subscriptions. And the second is multiple commissions from an ecosystem of many complementary products. If you refer 100 customers each month, you will be paid for those sales. Plus, you will have a certain percentage that keeps the subscription. So, you will be paid monthly for those as well as your new sales. To do this, you need an email list and an ecosystem. The email list allows you to send promo emails to make more money by selling additional products. And the ecosystem allows you to make multiple commissions from multiple products that complement each other. The Partner with Anthony ecosystem pays out on 16 different products. These products are complementary to the PWA program, meaning the customers will want these products as tools to build their businesses. There is a link right below this video to the Partner with Anthony program. It's going to give you that funnel. The funnel builds your email list and grows your business. You can send people through the program and earn up to 16 different commissions. Many of them are also recurring billing. This is the only way you succeed as an affiliate, especially in today's world. To recap, Step 1 is to build your funnel. Partner with Anthony has already done that for you. Step 2 is to plug into an ecosystem that offers multiple products with multiple recurring commissions. Partner with Anthony is that ecosystem. Step 3 is to send offers to your email list. PWA also provides you with emails to send to your list. If you liked what you have learned in this video, like and subscribe and be sure to hit the notification bell so you don't miss my next videos. Tell me what you think in the comments. And join Partner with Anthony by clicking on the link in the description below.